Hello guys, welcome back to this channel.
In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can dress up as Annabelle and dress to impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can color your skin like this using this color, and then you're going to choose this face and also there's this hairstyle. Okay, and now let's move to the corset area. Okay, right here, and then we're going to wear this corset. Okay, and also the sleeves. All right, and then I'm going to color it red. I'm going to color the first selection red. Oops, sorry. For the first selection, I'm just going to color it white, and for the second selection, color this red. And also the third selection, you can color it white, and for the fourth selection, color it red. Okay, and then for the sleeves, I'm going to color it red. All right, and now it's time to move to the shoes area, and we're going to wear this shoes. Okay, and change the toggle to add socks. All right, and then we're going to go to the dressing room, and we're going to use skirt from the witch set. Okay, let me enter the dressing room. Oops. Okay, go to the currency items and wear this skirt and color the first selection white and the second selection red. Okay, the last one we're going to wear ribbon. So I'm gonna go to this area, and then I'm going to wear this ribbon and color it red. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to dress up as Annabelle and dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.